This is just another look at my Arduino Nano. I believe in a previous video I explained how I messed up the bottom of this board trying to build a transistor circuit, and I also showed how I was still able to program this using my Arduino Uno. I was actually able to program this with my serial converter as well, but of course you have to hit the reset button right after the program compiles before it starts uploading. That's kind of irritating. Here's my Arduino Mini Pro that I currently have my serial converter connected to. You see the brown wire there connected to the Mini Pro. I was unable to find out where I needed to attach that wire to the Nano to get it to program without hitting the reset button. So I took a USB cable and I cut it in half. I clipped the red and black for the 5-volt power lead and just left the white and green and the shield connected. And I was actually able to program the Nano with this cable without hitting the reset button. But of course you have to find a secondary power source that way. So I cut this cable in half. What I should have done was clip the end off and run that black and red straight to the positive and negative rails on the breadboard. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, so here we have my breadboard with my Arduino Nano powered by the USB cable. I have some breakout wires coming out of the USB cable going straight to the breadboard, so it's bypassing the voltage regulator and going straight to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino. Now I can program this Arduino without having to hit the reset button, using the serial converter, and without using my Arduino Uno. I spliced the cable back together and brought the power lead breakouts to the end of the cable. Yeah. And it's working once again.